Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn, to live your life on your own terms. Welcome to my channel, Learn and Earn Academy. And today in this video, we are going to talk about Statue of Unity, which is made for Sardar Vallabbhai Patel, the India's Iron Man. It is the world's tallest statue, which has never been made in any part of the world. It is 182-meter tall statue. Now, what is the significance of this great man statue? He is considered India's Iron Man, one man who united the whole country, which was distributed in various provinces after the freedom which we got in 1947. So, in this video, we are going to talk about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and the significance of this great statue of unity. Now, Statue of Unity is much taller than the Statue of Liberty and Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro. Now, these are some of the world famous statues which are known for their height, their tall stature. But now we have the Statue of Unity, which will be known all across the world to be the tallest statue in the history. Now, Iron Man of India, 31st October 1875, his birthday, and 15 December 1950, the last day which he survived. Built as a memorial to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabbhai Patel, the construction work of Statue of Unity is about to be completed in the next few days after 4 years of work. So it was actually when Narendra Modi was the chief minister of Gujarat, he started this initiative, a movement to recognize this lost hero of India, who people didn't even know, the youngsters especially, what is his contribution towards nation building. In fact, he is the person who has built our nation, who has united the nation and made India a complete nation, each and every part of it. So, this kind of personality certainly deserves all appreciation, effort, accolades, and we as Indians should definitely remember his contribution through all our life. So I'm sure this memorial, the Iron Man of India, will certainly be a great tribute to his soul, to his contribution from all Indians. In fact, Narendra Modi asked all the villages, people to donate iron in form of whatever contribution they could make from the plugs, the farmland, and these were used and melted and put inside the statue. So this statue is all about Indian soil, all about Indianness, and this is what makes it such a unique experience to see this great statue. It is built at a cost of over 2,300 crore. It will be the largest statue in the world with the height of 182 meters. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to inaugurate at Kevadia in Narmada district of Gujarat on October 31st. It's birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now people say that why is government spending so much of money to create a statue? Why not to use the same money for welfare activities of the people? But these people don't understand that it's not about the money, it's about what the person has done. If he had not made those efforts while he was alive, we as a nation would not be a united nation. We would have different provinces, we would have different states having different governments. So we need to give the credit to this person, recognize his efforts as a great human being, as a great person for India who has made us a united country. The second point is it's not only about the money, it's about how much more money this statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is going to make, not only for the state but also for the country. In terms of investment in tourism sector, this is going to be a hot spot for all the tourists, not only from India but also across the world, who would definitely want to come and see this tall statue. So it is going to give us a lot of revenue forever, in fact, till the time the statue is there. Third, for us, the youngsters, the coming generation, we need to set and show them that these are the real people who selflessly gave their life for the nation. We need to encourage, we need to motivate, we need to inspire people by showing the legendary work of these great people and how much love and respect all the Indians have for such highly regarded persons. Now, the statue is built by Larsen and Turbo. The Sardar Patel Memorial will also have a museum on his and a research center for scholars. It is located at river island called Sadhu Bet. The Statue of Unity is about 3.5 kilometers away from Narmada Dam. A 250-meter long bridge provides connectivity to the island. Now, people are not going to come and see this particular statue, but I'm sure they would also want to go and visit Narmada Dam. So it's a great tourism opportunity, a great uh, initiative so that the people across get jobs and an opportunity to earn livelihood. Besides a shopping center, a selfie point has also been constructed. The selfie point will provide a good vantage point for those who want to click photos. So it has all the aspects which people could even think of. The statue will have a viewing gallery at the height of 193 meters from the sea level, which can accommodate 200 visitors at time. Statue of Unity is not only twice as large as America's Statues of Liberty, but also larger than China's Spring Temple Buddha, the largest statue in the world at present. So this will be a great achievement for our nation. Being developed as a major tourist attraction, the Sardar Patel statue will also have three-star hotel near beside boat rides in Narmada River. Now these are the opportunities which people will definitely be looking forward to create employment opportunities, to earn money for the state in terms of tourism. Nearly 3,400 laborers and 250 engineers were deployed by Larsen and Toubro to build this statue. Hundreds of Chinese workers were also spotted during the construction site. The Gujarat government has planned to build Shreshtha Bharat Complex near the Statue of Unity, which will house Bhavans of different states. Now, this will also be a great initiative. You have different states representing at a particular place, which is called Shreshtha Bharat Complex. So, we all are very excited. 31st of October, this inauguration will take place, and I'm sure we all would love to want to go to that place and see how the statue looks like. So I'm sure this video has certainly given you a lot of insight on what exactly is this statue all about and the importance of this great man, his contribution. So if you like this video, you can press the like button, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can also share this video on social media. Please help us to spread education in this beautiful world. Thank you. Have a great day.